Hey everybody, Ash here with Gents. Today I've got a review of a fragrance that you can pick up right now really cheap if you're lucky. I found this at TJ Maxx for $15 for a 100ml bottle, full presentation, everything sealed. So it wasn't even on clearance. The fragrance I'm talking about is this one, English Laundry Riviera. I also found English Laundry Signature and have picked that up too. So as of right now, there have been people posting on Facebook groups all over the place that they've been finding English Laundry fragrances super cheap. So I'm gonna tell you what I think about this one really quickly and let you know whether you should buy it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's check out this presentation really quickly. Here we go, name of the house, name of the fragrance, size and concentration down here at the bottom. You can see they have this kind of aquatic design on the box. This one's a little different than your typical box because it doesn't open at the top. It actually opens up like that. It has a velvety feel. You've got the English Laundry logo right here. And the bottle sits inside here. And this is actually just foam. So you can take that out if you wanted to for whatever reason. So this is a pretty nice presentation, but it is also cheap. So it's like cheap mixed with nice. I don't know if that makes any sense. On the back here, you've got your ingredient information. And one thing that you should know about this, I can't find a batch code on the box or the bottle. So no batch codes. And here is the bottle. It has a really cool gradient design. You can see here it's a very dark blue that goes up to clear. Again, name of the house, name of the fragrance. And on the top of the cap, you can see there, it says English Laundry by Christopher Wicks. As I was saying, no badge code, there's not even a sticker on the bottom. The cap does click into place, but it doesn't feel super secure. Atomizer on these is decent. There you go, presentation for English Laundry Riviera. I actually really like the presentation here. Riviera opens up with a big blast of citrus. There's a lot of it in the opening. The main citrus that I pick up though is orange. That citrus mixes early on with some woods and spices. It's a really nice opening. And the citrus in this fragrance is more on the creamy side of things. So a creamy orange. It's not on the astringent or the sharp side of things. And it works really well in this fragrance. And even though you would think, looking at the box and the bottle, that this would have aquatic notes, officially it doesn't. Which is kind of funny because this fragrance has a ton of listed notes. I mean, just look at them all. That is a lot. So even though it doesn't have an official water, sea, aquatic note, it does have a little bit of an aquatic feel. But it's not what I would consider a light fragrance. So this isn't one of those super fresh summer fragrances. This one is more based around that creamy citrus and then some woods and spices. But don't take that as a negative because this is actually a really nice fragrance. It's just not as aquatic as you might think. It's just a touch, a smidge aquatic. The creamy citrus that you smell in the opening settles down about 20 minutes in. Then you've got a really nice clean lavender mixing with some pepper. The remaining citric nuances are there too. And you have a solid dose of sweetness from tonka kicking in. Really, really pleasant stuff here. For 15 bucks, you're gonna be hard pressed to find something much better. Dries down to a very sweet and woody scent. There's a good amount of sandalwood and gaiac wood in the base, and those woods give, again, a creamy feel. Smells really good, nice, fresh, decent amount of density in the fragrance. Doesn't come across really light, like I said earlier. Great, great, great inexpensive summer fragrance. Longevity for me on this is legit because the price, next to nothing, and it lasts 6 to 7 hours on my skin. I will take that every day of the week. Projection more in the moderate range, but really, how much more could you ask for? It gets the job done without being overbearing. It's a casual scent. I wouldn't wear this formally personally, and it's gonna be best worn in spring and summer. The presentation looks nice, the bottle looks slick, the gradient design here looks good. If you find this for $15 at a TJ Maxx or for that price online, you really can't go wrong because English Laundry fragrances are of a really good quality. For whatever reason, they're getting sold off like they're a Walmart knockoff brand. So really, this video goes for Riviera, but also for pretty much any English Laundry fragrance that you see at any of those discounters. If you see one of these, a 100ml English Laundry fragrance, for $15, pick it up. Because if you don't, the next guy that comes in after you probably will, and they're gonna get a hell of a steal. Don't have too much else to say about this guy right here. If you're looking for a fragrance that's got a semi-aquatic feel, with a strong citrus opening with the creamy orange, mixing with woods and spices, and touches of florals as it dries down, and ultimately finishes as a sweet, woody, semi-powdery fragrance that's really pleasant, that can pull compliments, that lasts for a good amount of time, then definitely check this out if you get the chance. English Laundry Riviera. It's a great pickup, one of the best ones I've had from TJ Maxx in a long time. So I figured I had to make a video about it. I don't know how long these are gonna show up in discounters for. A long while ago, all of the Ferragamo Aqua Essential fragrances were showing up super cheap at TJ Maxx, and one day they stopped showing up for that great price. I can still find them every once in a while, but it's not the same. It's not $15 like it was. Now they're for like 30 bucks. So who knows, in the near future, these are either not gonna show up at all, or they're gonna be marked up. Grab these while you can. If you have found any English laundry steals, let me know in the comments about those. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time.